Welcome to Global Gear and Machining in Downers Grove, Illinois. I'm Morgan Cragen of the Morgan Corporation, a regional representative for Liebherr. Today we're going to be offering a live demonstration of the Liebherr LGG 180 gear grinding machine. Global Gear is a perfect example of a customer utilizing the LGG 180 machine to its fullest potential. They supply automotive, they supply ag, construction, and other various gear industries, and are a perfect example of the diversity available for the LGG 180 gear grinding machine. With me today is Mr. Steve Hayes, Global Gear's Manufacturing Operations Manager. Steve is the engineer who is most familiar with Liebherr's gear grinding technology, and he can also answer questions about the tools, technology, and his own personal experience using Liebherr machines for gear grinding in their shop. This LGG 180 machine is the latest development in a series of generating and profile grinding machines from Liebherr, dating back to 1989. Some of the upgrades which we have brought to market on this LGG grinder are 4-second chip-to-chip times with single work table solution, extremely short loading times, economical production of sub-micron range flank waviness for noise optimization, grinding spindle with rigid HSK 100 connection and output of 35 kW for use in innovative grinding tools such as 3M's Cubitron 2, availability of a huge variety of dressing techniques both for generating and profile grinding, for example single flank, double flank, multi-rib, point-to-point, universal dressing with flank dressing disc, and pre-profiling of worms. Additionally, internal profile grinding arms can fit to the LGG for internal grinding capability. Global Gear would be happy to take questions at the gear seminar, and Steve Hayes will be available to answer questions regarding his experiences with the Liebherr LGG machine.